Andrew's Workshop, Model Engineering Adventures. My friend Andrew, who lives nearby, has a very well-equipped home workshop, and his engineering talent is considerable. He is currently building a working model of a Bentley BR2 Rotary Engine. I regularly follow the episodes on his YouTube channel, and I decided to visit him for a chat and a closer look at some past and present work. In this one, we talk about the Bentley BR2 Rotary Engine and the difficulty and time it took to make the parts. It's good to see him again. I've not been able to get out. I couldn't drive for 6 weeks after the surgery, but now things seem to be healing well and I can drive my car, which is good. I've even been out in the Land Rover. I hope you enjoy the next couple of videos. I really enjoy talking to my friend Andrew in his workshop. Over now to some live workshop audio.
What we've got left to do, Keith, is 36 M3 holes around this area here. There's going to be a left-hand thread put in here. The bearings are pressed in there. And there's another bearing pressed in there. And there is a thrust washer in there with a spacer. These have got to be drilled to match these holes here. We've then got to put the holes round here for the inlet tubes. So there's quite a lot more work to do on this yet.
Wow, it's just mind-blowing.
Halfway through it.
I can't even begin to think about making anything like that. It is so far beyond my skill level. It's absolutely ridiculous.
You could do it if you really wanted to.
Yeah, if I had the time. But I'm running out of time. Rapidly. I mean, I've got a kidney down. I've got a prostate that's knackered.
Yeah, but think of it this way, you're losing weight.
I've got a bad knee. Yeah, I'm not losing weight because of the diseases. I'm losing weight because I'm not eating as much. How long did it take you to make that circular thing with the
this
spike?
One?
No, that's just a simple plant pot, that bit.
This took a week.
Just the central bit.
These 36 took a week.
The nuts. That is a castellated nut. And I thought, well, why is it castellated? Well, I suppose on the full size there would be a drilling and it would be wired, because don't forget, this is a rotary engine and the whole thing spins. And there's nothing worse than having your cylinder head fly off whilst you're taking off or landing. Unbelievable, Andrew, unbelievable. And the quality of the machining is, well, what's the word I'm looking for?
Correct.
So it's a castellated nut, and there are quite a few more of these. So how long does it take to make one castellated nut to this standard?
Including the filing and rethreading. You have to rethread them after you've cut the castellation with the blade. Obviously it burrs it all up, so then you have to rethread them as well. Well, it's 5 days work, 36.
5 days work.
Keith, this rang like a bell. What note do you think this is?
I haven't got perfect pitch, so I can't tell you, but what I'll do, I'll check it via a keyboard and let you know. What if it's no note? What if it's atonal and sits between two semitones? At the moment, this looks like a clock, and at this point, if I built this, it would be a clock on my wall. I'd just put a cheap clock movement in, stare at it and think, I'll finish it one day. But anyway, I know you'll finish it. But when it's taking a week to make the crankcase and a week to make the rods, and the sheer amount of work, it's superhuman, honestly. It's me checking the post. Yeah. From the sublime to the ridiculous, right? You can do that, but then look at this. What I don't understand is you are capable of extremely advanced machinist work. On the other hand, looking at your attempt at piping of this twin Victoria, it makes me feel physically ill. It's horrendous. What went wrong? Did you sort of have a bad day? You know, or what?
No, it's all been constructed to totally offend you, Keith, and make it a modern engine with a modern staircase and piping you a hate. That's so the man can go underneath there.
And I really do think that looking at the scale is important. I don't know what that is. Is that some sort of one of those things, an Archimedean screw? No, it's not. It's some sort of a staircase. But the man would be very small to get up that staircase. And then what's he confronted with? A valve that's twice the size of him. He looks up, by which time he phones the Samaritans because the piping is just so frightening.
Like I said, I did it to offend you.
Yeah, well, I think I'm offended.
Good.
And if I were you, I'd just redo that piping. The rest of it, I mean, the thing, like everything that you build, runs beautifully. How far is it off being run in?
Do you know why it sits here? It's still my favourite engine at the moment.
Slow it down. The timing's definitely near enough. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't like the governor. I mean, that's why I gave it to you, because I didn't like it either.
Well, it doesn't actually do anything.
No,
they're false pipes, but when it's really going, and it self-starts.
Why is it stopping and starting?
I'm doing that.
No, I mean, why is the governor not spinning?
I don't know. It's just cheap governor, isn't it? That's why you gave it me.
Have you oiled it?
Yeah, I've tried everything. I'll get it going. Yeah. That's only on one bar. That is, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, that is a wonderful thing.
There you go. Once it gets going with a bit of momentum, it's all right.
I mean, that's a good speed that the engine would have run at in a mill, I suppose. Although they run faster than you think. Although most mill engines would be compounds. But that's beautiful. The thing about scale is subjective, because you don't know how big the model is relative to the full size.
No, that's true.
Is that a model of a small engine, or is it a model of a big engine? I'm very confused because of the different scales that I'm looking at. I hope that you've enjoyed my visit to Andrew's workshop. This Bentley BR2 engine is going to be quite something. I look forward to the development of it. More to come in the next episode, showing the beautiful snow engine that Andrew made. But that's it for now. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Please take the time to visit my Mainsteam Models website and click on the section of the website that says Video Playlists. And by doing that, you can find other videos that you may like to watch. And by using the playlists, you can actually watch the videos back to back.